Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday the 10th of March. Looking at cable, yet again another market that had a strong run against the dollar, but now that move is being retraced. How deep is the retracement? Well, it's interesting that I've been speaking over recent weeks about how the market, certainly on cable, really does tend to conform to the Fibonacci retracements of this big bull run from October to December. And what have we seen? If we zoom in here, is the market pretty much to the pip, hit the fib level from 23.6% fib yesterday, retraced, hitting the fib of 38.2% level, retracement, 30.10, pretty much again to the pip this morning before rebounding. So again, we are taking on board these Fibonacci retracements. So the market is certainly looking at these. And you look at how the RSI fell over around 60, similar to what we saw in February. And you're basically trading with a slight negative bias, given the fact that MACD lines are still underneath neutral and these levels are just rolling over now. So you've got a slight negative bias still essentially within this medium-term range. So this negative bias has been reaffirmed a little bit today by the move to the downside, and it'll be interesting to see how now the market reacts to 38.2% fib again. So a closing move underneath that essentially reopens 50% at 28.55 area. There's a nice basis of support from that reaction, that old reaction high, 30.17 again, pretty much to the pip where the market turned the corner today. So we are sort of buzzing around within this medium-term range again. I mean, you can, I suppose, look at these these moving averages beginning to turn up. So, is it a decisive medium near-term bias? Well, not really. You'd be sort of fairly tentative playing cable either way, really, at the moment, I think. But given the fact that the market has rolled over and held that support initially, if that support now breaks, then you'd say that momentum is building once more within a negative near-term bias. But essentially, you're fairly sort of neutral, I think, given the fact the market has rolled over at that resistance again. So just be a bit careful playing cable at the moment. Triggers, I suppose, would be underneath 30 figure or back above 32 figure. Within that, you're fairly neutral. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.